We have to have concern and respect for each other. That's the fruit of Islam. Concern. Whoever doesn't have any concern for his Muslim brother, why should Allah have any concern for them? One of the hadiths of the Hadith al-Qudsi, which the Prophet ﷺ gave to us from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to his servant on the Day of Judgment, he said, I was in the earth and I asked you for drink and you didn't give me the drink. And I was in the earth and I asked you for food and you didn't give me the food. And the person said, oh Allah, but you don't eat and drink. But he said, I sent my servant to you. I sent my servant to you. So a Muslim that's in need, we feed him, we help him, we support him. We find out what he needs. The Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim is the mirror of another Muslim. How could I look in a Muslim face and not see what I need? How could my brother not know what I need? Not if he's my brother. We say to him, Kayfa haluka akhi. Or if you say kifik. What you mean by that? What is your condition? How do you feel? What you need? How's your family? How's your health? How's your heart? How's your deen? What you need? Can I help you, my brother? That's what we should tell every brother when we meet him. Before you leave a brother, say, Akhi, what you need? Can I help you with anything, Akhi? Brothers say that to each other, they're going to straighten things out, inshallah. Have taqwa. Fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Be obedient to Allah. Have taqwa. The Prophet ﷺ said, Inna akramakum indallah atqakum. The best of you in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is those that have the most what? Fear of Allah, taqwa.